Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so very much for joining me. This is Smash Our Stash for September. How can it be September? This is my absolute favorite collab. This month though, it's hard. It's enamel dots and little round stickers and things and sequins. I have a lot of them. I don't use them. I caught myself and stopped buying them years ago. But I bet there's probably some video where I said, I'm going to put all these on the counter, so I'm going to use them. And they've been sitting there for a year. I can pull cards out of my stash and put dots and circles and things on them. That's what I've done before. I also think I should just go through these and figure out which ones do I want to give away, because I have this group of people making cards for school office staff, and they don't have piles of enamel dots and round things and all this to play with. So I think I should share them. And one thing that I found honestly was some of this stuff doesn't show on camera, so it's not really worth my time. Like, unless you have really amazing video and you slow down or you're doing process videos, you wouldn't notice that I put these on. I really like these. I'm kind of obsessed with them. I'm going to keep them. They'll go on anything, and I might use them. Oh, there's some rhinestones on the back that I probably won't use, so we should probably take those off. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm just going to say, it is time to get aggressive in this pile. I also love puffy stickers. Like, I have a puffy sticker problem. The thing is, I don't make little cute pink things. I'm not going to use these. I like the butterflies, the bees, the flowers off of them. That's about all I use. So I should go through and say, okay, oh, I want the blue flip-flops. I'm keeping those, right? The rest of it, I don't need. I probably could have sent some of the nautical stuff to Twyla. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to do it on camera because this is a collaboration with a big group, and so you need to try and keep your videos a little shorter. I also have tons of sequins. If you don't have sequins, don't buy them. They were super trendy. They were at Tuesday morning. We were all buying them. I mean, I'm just lucky mine didn't get them that often, because otherwise I would be worse off. So I think what I'll do is I'll go through the stickers. Anything that's self-adhesive is easier for people that are learning to use, right? So I will go through and I'll put a bunch of those in a kit for them and say, okay, here you go. And then I think I'll look through my sequins and see what would I like to make. I think I have some fall colored sequins. Maybe I can do some embellishments for gratitude journals or something like that that I'll use soon. I'll be back. Okay, here's how it turned out with that pile. All of this stuff is going. This is going to be gifted to people who don't have a plethora of supplies. And then this is what I kept. These I keep telling myself I'll use on journals. These are basic and they go with anything. I think they're the strip kind, which are not my favorite. I don't know. I should probably give them half of those. Maybe I'll do that next year. And then these I tell myself I'll use. I love these. I keep things that are stars. I kept a few enamel dots and round things. And see, I kept these. I mean, this is a lot. I don't need all these. I feel like these pearls are yellowing. I don't know if that's just me. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give them... Pearls are good for Christmas and stuff. But I don't know that I'll use them, you guys. Okay, let's do this. Let's give them half. I'm going to give them half of that package too. So then I'll keep a combo. Oh, I kept the stars, of course. And then on some of these, I chopped the papers up and kept portions. And then I kept the blue butterflies. This collaboration really pushes you to dig into some things. And honestly, I don't want to use them up. And they've been sitting there. I'm supposed to smash it. I don't know if I actually have to use it. Maybe Beth is going to throw me out. I'll be back to show you what else I do. I'm back to wrap up Smash Our Stash. And this is what I've come up with. I took these sequins, like fall stuff, and did some decorations. I probably won't use these on cards, maybe more journal, maybe happy fall, but hello fall, I don't know, maybe. And the leaves, so you might see these in the small pad at the end of the month, maybe not. Then I'm gonna try and use up some of these in the small pad at the end of the month. I also have, I knew it, didn't know where they were, this color. So this one especially, I should use on the fall cards. This one I use, I think, some for Christmas. These little tiny Love from Lizzie stickers, they don't show really well in the videos either. So sometimes they're there and maybe I forgot to tell you if it wasn't a process video. Then I also found another pack of enamel dots that was with my fall stuff, Fall Break from Cartabella. And that I think is the collection I'm doing for the small pad at the end of the month. I'll try and remember to show you if this package is empty in there, but I'm going to put a ton of enamel dots on those cards, way more than I normally would, and try and use some of these, maybe even some of these. While I was thinking about all of the sequins that I showed you and didn't use, did you notice there were a ton of red, white, and blue, and I didn't use those. They were in a round container like this. It kind of came and went this season. So I'm really looking at, do I use the things that I'm setting aside for the seasons? I'm going to ask my friend Andrea, who is a purple fan, if she wants these. If not, then I'll find somebody else or I'll put them in the go away box. But I probably don't need a whole container of purple sequins. I have some clear ones. I have a lot of blue ones. I probably don't need purple. There aren't that many paper collections with purple. In case you haven't noticed, this year I'm really trying to dig into my patterned paper and use it up. So I'm doing a lot of that lately. So maybe 2 or 3 years from now, I'm going to be making a journal that's all purple. And I'm going to be like, man, I wish that I had that giant thing of sequins. But if that's the case, I'll get out some purple paint or do something else. So it might not seem like I use that many of these items, you know, when you look at this. But for me, this is a ton. And I think that's why I get excited about Smash Our Stash, is I dig in and use stuff that I wouldn't normally even open the drawer and look at. It's embarrassing, but we're all friends here and I like to tell you the truth. Be sure to check out the other collaborators. This is a hashtag collaboration. So you go down and you click the hashtag and then you tell YouTube, no, I only want to see that hashtag, not all the other stuff you tried to show me. And you just keep looking. Some months it works really well and other months not as well. So just know that I'm in it every month. You can come back and find me at Crafting and Relaxing if the hashtag's not working. Take great care of yourselves and thanks for spending time with me today. Bye-bye.